paano rin ma-encourage yung mga potential investor. Sa ngayon ho, may mga iba't ibang program kasi ang PICAR. Itong P2P program natin, isa lang ito sa programa natin. Pero ang kanina na nag-uusap kami ng secretary, baka kailangan i-feature yung lahat ng technologies at tingnan kung mayroong mga interested investors. Kasi ang kailangang focus ay hiwalayin yung para sa R&D, hiwalay yung sa technology commercialization. Sa ngayon, yung titingnan yung status ng technology, siguro ang kailangan nito konting refinement pa and then ready for commercialization to. So it's about time na malaman na ng mga potential investor may ganitong opportunity and then makita din nila kung ano yung status ng technology. Kasi yung technology transfer kasi hindi lang basta sabihin natin na ganito na yung status. Kailangan ma-evaluate ito ng potential taker kasi may risk nilang i-take in terms of resources that they are going to put in. So bali kasama ko ito sa normal ordinary program ng DUST sa tech transfer.
Thank you.
Pwede ba akong Actually, sa mga technologies, particularly sa livestock, when we approve or we submit the proposal for the project for funding, alam na po ng industriya yun. Na-marites na po namin because we are working very closely with the big groups in the swine industry. In fact, I think 2 or 3 times in their 2 or 3 of their meetings, we already have reported to them the initial outputs of the research. Kaya when these technologies will become available and validated for commercialization, we will again join in we will invite ourselves in the industry meetings to inform them that these are already available for commercialization. Kasi nandoon din kasi sa mga meetings na yun, yung mga potential companies who can do commercialization of these products.
Thank you po.
Okay po.